Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda and I'm really excited to have you here. And if you're not new here, then welcome back to Sanchez Squad. So in today's video, I'm gonna go for a bit of a fall look. I'm not sure what the exact definition is from a fall look, but I always found it like grungy and a bit dark and like a bit of a dark lip. So I'm excited. I am more of a winter person, so I'm excited that fall is here because I am excited for winter. I'm probably the only person in the whole wide universe who actually loves winter and prefers winter over summer, but I found winter very cozy and very, I don't know, I just love it. I love the whole feel that comes with winter. Before we start, make sure to click that little notification bell. That will make sure that you'll be updated every time I upload a new video, which is every week. And for now, let's just get straight into it. So to start my face up, I am going to prime my face. I have already moisturized my face. We're starting today with this primer from Becca, which is a really nice primer actually. It is called the First Light Priming Filter. It is a really nice, hydrating and a bit blurring primer as well. I like to rub the primer in my hands, just like a moisturizer. And just apply that all over. Ooh, it's making my skin really red today. And it's a bit tingly. I don't know why that is. Is it like out of date or something? I'm not sure. Normally this doesn't really happen, but maybe my skin is just a little bit sensitive at the moment. Oh, there you go. It's already calming down. Good, good. For the next step, I'm gonna go in with this foundation from Fenty, and it's the Pro Filter Hydrating Filter in the color 240. So if you have seen my previous videos, you know that I am obsessed with this foundation. I'm going to apply this with this brush from Huda Beauty, and it's the Face Buff and Blend brush. Please don't take any notice of my skin because my skin has been literally terrible. So I absolutely love this foundation. I love the finish. I love how it feels. I love how it looks. And I feel like it covers up just as much as I want to, but not too much. But then to cover any other blemishes I might have, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to use it under my eyes, a bit around here. I'm like, what is this? Really annoying. I found this concealer amazing for some extra coverage. My nose piercing is a little bit like irritated the last few days, so that's why it's looking a bit red. So I'm not gonna go in with foundation or concealer around there because I don't want to make it worse. So ignore the redness around there. Then to set my face, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. This is in the color Sugar Cookie. I love this setting powder. It's really nice. It's really thin. It works great. So I'm just using a little bit under my eyes. Again, I'm using a Huda Beauty brush, and it is actually their Bake and Blend brush. And I found it really nice because you can just use it to like lightly set your face. Like I'm not even gonna go in with Love Powder. I'm just touching this like fabric here, and that gives me the tiniest amount of powder, and I feel that's enough for me because like if you've been here before, you know I'm pretty on the dry side, so I can't go in with like loads of powder under my eyes and around my nose area because it just gets so dry. But the foundation I'm wearing is very hydrating, so I don't want to get, even though I'm dry, I don't want to get like oily. So I have to definitely set it around some areas. but I'm not gonna go in all over my face. So I'm basically just gonna set this area, and then the rest I'm just gonna leave it. Our base is done. I'm now gonna go in with some bronzer, and I'm using the bronzer that I'm literally always using, which is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I need to get a new one ASAP because it is very much finished and I'm struggling getting even something out of it, but I'm still gonna use it because it's my favorite. It's my favorite. So first I'm going in to contour my cheekbones a little bit using the same blending baking brush from Huda Beauty. Now I'm going to add some color in my face, and I'm going to go in with some blusher. This little blush from Kiko, and it's called the Sicilian Notes Bake Blush in Coral Sunset. This blusher is super pigmented, so I'm going to go in with the tiniest amount. Has a really nice glow in it. That's it. And now I'm gonna go in with some highlighter, and for highlighter I'm gonna use this palette from BH Cosmetic. It is the Duo Light Highlight palette. It's beautiful. It's super pigmented. If you're looking for like an affordable pigmented highlighter, then I will definitely check out their highlighter palettes. I am gonna go in with this one right here, and oh my god, it is so good. I barely touched my skin there. I literally barely touched my skin there. So same for the other side. You know, these hairs always really annoy me, and I just pull them out. Problem solved. Probably shouldn't be doing that. Before we continue to the eyes, I need to fix my brows a little bit because while I was applying foundation, I feel like they have faded a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay brow blade, and I'm going to just create some extra brow strokes. This is my favorite brow product ever. Like, look how nice that is. All I'm doing is just making some hair strokes. So I'm just, without putting any pressure, just brushing those brows out. That way any powder that got in the brows while we was like doing our face just blends out, and you know. There you go. Perfect. So now I'm going to continue to the eyes. For the eyes, I am using a really nice and affordable palette. This one is from Makeupbysanchez. I think it is £8 or £9, something like that. Their eyeshadows are super pigmented, so definitely go check them out. The one I'm using today is called Sweet Like ... Sweet, oh Jesus. Sorry, I just got a text message of a dog because I'm after a little toy poodle for ages and ages, but for some reason it's not happening. But I just got back from a woman called Debbie, and she said she might have one little girl left, so fingers crossed. Oh, they look so cute. I'm looking at them right now on the laptop, so I'm distracted. Let's keep going. Sorry. So yeah, for my eyes today, I'm using this palette from Makeupbysanchez. It's called Sweet Like ... You know what I find really annoying is when people text or email with like ... Hey Linda ... How are you ... Why the dot? Just say hey Linda, you know, put an exclamation mark there. Anyway, I am gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go for like a purpley grungy, because normally every single person who does like a fall look goes for like a green look, and I couldn't find any palettes with enough greens in there. So I am gonna go probably for like these shades in the corner here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one eye off camera to really focus on that eye. Then I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna show you exactly how I've done that on the other eye. So be right back. So this is how the eye look turned out. I really love how it turned out actually. I was gonna go for no lashes, but I did feel that with this like nice wing, I feel like I needed some lashes to like, you know, finish it. First color I'm using is this like brownie color, and I'm applying that all over the crease. Using my Morphe blending brush to just blend that out. Next up is this deep pink. And I'm just adding that in the crease again. Using this Zoeva brush, which is a really nice soft brush, and I'm just blending out that pink with the brown. There you go. Then I'm gonna go in with this really like deep purple pink, and I'm going to make it really dark and grungy with that one. So I'm grabbing quite a bit of that one. So then I did struggle a little bit with like a darker color on there, because like, I feel like that was the darkest color that was in that palette, but I needed a little bit of black. So I went in with a different palette from Makeup Obsession. This is Black is the New Black, which is also really nice. I actually went in with this one first, but then I figured I might as well go for the black. So I'm just grabbing a tiny bit of that black, and I'm using that just to make that crease a bit darker. And this black is super pigmented, as you can see. I went in a bit too high, so I'm just adding that a bit in the corners here. Going in with this gold one. I'm using that one as a base. I'm just adding that with my finger. And then for the ultimate gold, I'm using the same highlighter palette. Then for my lower lash line, I'm actually gonna go in with this red one right here. Just adding that to the lower lash line. And then gonna go in with this purple one, and I'm adding that one in the corner. Then to smoke it up, I'm grabbing this pencil from Urban Decay, and it's a 24 Glide On pencil in 0, which is a really good black eye pencil. And I'm just adding that to my waterline. And I'm not being careful with it, I'm just adding it on my waterline, I'm adding that between my lashes, and then grabbing a tiny brush to blend that black out with the rest of the colors. Grabbing this liner from L'Oreal, and it's a signature matte eyeliner in the color brown, which is a really nice deep brown. And I'm just creating a, you know, a nice big wing on there. Using my L'Oreal Fiber Lash, and I'm just adding a little bit of mascara on there to make sure that the fake lashes can like stick to that. For my lashes, I use these lashes from Huda Beauty, and it is Farah, which is a really quite an extreme lash, I personally think, but I feel like Huda Beauty lashes are just really easy to use. I don't know why. Make sure be patient. Let that lash glue just get tacky. So leave that glue on there for about a minute or so. There we have the lashes. The glue will be white now, but once it's dried up, it will just be like see-through. So what? Don't worry about that. Just adding a little bit of the black pencil on my waterline on the top. Oh, that's not nice. Gonna go in with this lip liner from LA Girl, and it's in the color Sugar and Spice, and I'm going to line my lips. And then for lipstick, I'm using this lipstick from Becca Cosmetic, and it's called Blush. This is the finishing look. I hope you like it. I personally think it doesn't like scream fall at all, to be honest. I feel like it should have been a lot darker. I feel like the lipstick should have been a lot darker, browner. But to be completely honest, I know I have a dark lipstick somewhere, but my room is the biggest mess. All my makeup is in boxes because I've been like moving around constantly. So I could try and find a dark lipstick, but I know that I will probably end up having like a mental breakdown. So I am just going to avoid that, if you don't mind. And I'm just going to leave it like this. I hope you still like it. I hope you still enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I like the eye look. I definitely like the eye look. For some reason my skin isn't looking great. I don't know. I think I just went in with way too many products around my eyes and it's looking a little bit cakey around here. But other than that, I do like how it turned out. For now, I would like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, which is somewhere either here or here. You click the little subscribe button. And make sure to click that little notification bell. That way you'll be updated for every upload I do, which is probably around like once or twice a week. So make sure to stay tuned for my next video. But if you want to see more of me in the meantime, make sure to go to my Instagram, which is Makeupbysanchez, where I post daily makeup pictures, videos, stories. I am gonna love you and leave you. So see you next time. Mwah.